Here's why we love Waybird's new album, and you will too. In April, Waybird released his fifth album, Sounds of My Life, and we've completely fallen for it. Here's why Sounds of My Life might be the cutest album of the year. 1. You get to meet Waybird's family. Waybird spent over 3 years gathering sound recordings of his family and friends. The sounds of his grandparents, his little brother, and even his former school teachers all appear in his songs. In See You on Monday, he used real sound clips from his old high school. 2. Waybird is a cat person. Just listen to a few seconds of Cat Republic, and you'll hear how much Waybird loves his 3 kitties. In this adorable song, the singer pretends to be his cats. They say they love him, but they like to ignore him unless he opens a tin of cat food. By listening to Sounds of My Life, we got to know Waybird a little better. Now you can too.